Biscuit mix is so handy to have on hand to make a quick batch of pancakes, waffles, or even biscuits. Today we'll be making a batch of homemade biscuit mix that you can use to replace BISQUICK in your kitchen. Welcome to the Old Mayfield Place. I'm Snow the farmer's wife, and I teach you to be more self-sufficient in so many ways, such as growing your own food, using herbal medicine, and preserving food for long-term storage. Now let's get into the kitchen. To make the biscuit mix, you will need the following ingredients: 5½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of table salt, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 8 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Whisk all the dry ingredients together completely, then add the oil in small amounts if you're going to whisk it in by hand. You can use an electric mixer to speed up the process, but it only takes me about 5 minutes to do it by hand, and I'm too lazy to get the mixer out. Mix until all the lumps are gone and the mixture is completely combined. Store your mix in an airtight container for up to 3 months, and don't forget to label your container. I like to label it with the recipe for the mix and the recipes for use. This way I don't have to hunt down the mix every time I need to refill the jar or make a batch of biscuits. It's right here. This mix costs $2.28 for the entire batch. And now you're ready to make pancakes, waffles, or biscuits anytime you want them. You can find the directions on how to make these and the recipe for the mix in the description below. Wasn't that easy? Thank you for stopping by the Old Mayfield Place today. What's your favorite thing to make with biscuit mix? Have a blessed week.